Introducing our latest innovation in aluminum alloy products, the aluminum alloy angle aluminum round tube and aluminum alloy assembly line type. These products are designed to meet the diverse needs of various industries, offering exceptional strength, durability, and versatility. The aluminum alloy angle aluminum round tube is a high-quality, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant solution for a wide range of applications. Its unique design allows for easy assembly and installation, making it ideal for use in construction, automotive, and manufacturing industries. The round tube design provides excellent structural support and is perfect for creating frameworks, handrails, and other structural components. Our aluminum alloy assembly line type is specifically designed for use in the assembly line production process, provide rugged construction and sophisticated engineered, stable, and durable solutions for various manufacturing operations. Both products are crafted from premium-grade aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional performance and longevity. The material's inherent properties make it resistant to corrosion, rust, and wear, making it suitable for use in challenging environments. Additionally, the aluminum alloy's lightweight nature makes it easy to handle and transport, reducing installation time and labor costs. Meet the highest industry standards, offering superior quality and reliability. Whether you are looking for structural components, assembly line solutions, or versatile aluminum alloy products, our latest offerings are sure to exceed your expectations. Experience the unmatched performance and durability of our aluminum alloy angle aluminum round tube and aluminum alloy assembly line type. Elevate your projects and production processes with these innovative aluminum alloy solutions.